Hey guys, Jason here at Detail King, here to talk about car wash soaps today. There are tons of car wash options out there on the market, and we just want to help guide you so that you can determine which soap is going to be best for your application. They have different purposes, they're formulated with different ingredients, and each one has its own specific intentions. So today we're going to go through all the Detail King car wash soaps. While each of these soaps is extremely high foaming and highly dilutable, they all have their own specific purpose. Start with our black cherry. This is a high foaming wash and shine. It's got polymers in it to give a nice shine like the vehicle's been waxed or like it has a nice coat of wax on it. So it's great for doing your maintenance washes, maybe in between full details, weekly washes, bi-weekly washes, whatever it may be. Black cherry is going to give a real nice finish, a real nice shine. And it's great for that application. Second being our Super Suds. Super Suds is a high foaming wash, highly dilutable, just like the black cherry, but it does not have any polymers or carnauba in it or anything to give it a shine. It's great for hand washes, especially if you're going to be doing a wash and wax where you're applying protection later. The Super Suds came out right around the time that the foam cannons and foam guns came onto the market. So it's specifically designed for that, but can still be used with a bucket and a sponge. Moving on next to our Fresh Start. Fresh Start is more of a prep or stripping wash. It's great if you're going to be prepping for a full exterior detail, where there's a lot of layers of grime and buildup on the vehicle. It'll strip that off very well. It's also good for stripping old wax and sealant off. So perfect option if you're going to be doing a full exterior paint correction to get that paint nice and clean. The next one down the line is our Detox Silica wash. That soap is specifically designed for ceramic coatings. It can be used with any ceramic coating, but it's formulated for SiO2 coatings specifically. It's going to cleanse the paint really well, cleanse the pores of the coating, and also boost the hydrophobic properties of the coating, which is what everybody likes. Last but not least, we have our Wash and Graff. Wash and Graff is another ceramic coating wash, but specifically designed for graphene coatings. It's got graphene properties to it. Like the Detox, it's going to cleanse the coating itself, but also boost the hydrophobic properties of the coating itself. All right, so just a quick recap of the products we went over today. We've got washes that are great for regular hand washes or non-ceramic coated vehicles. On the other hand, we've got ceramic coating washes, and the important thing to note here is that they're not all compatible. You wouldn't want to use a black cherry or a wash and wax or wash and shine type of product on a vehicle that has a ceramic coating. It's not going to remove the coating or hurt the coating, but it will minimize the hydrophobics, which is what everyone wants out of their ceramic coating. It is temporary, so it can be fixed, but it's not going to be recommended to use a wash and wax on a ceramic coated vehicle. Something like the Super Suds could be used in a pinch if you ran out of your ceramic wash or if you just didn't have it for whatever reason. It'll be the next best option, but obviously if you have a ceramic coating and want it to stay in tip-top shape, keep the hydrophobics, keep it looking good all the time, you want one of the two specific ceramic coating washes. So that's a quick rundown on all of our car wash soaps. Stay tuned for more videos on other products that we have to offer. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, like, and if there's anything you would like us to do a video on specifically, drop it in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.